Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Zetulele and Sbongile are endless with guilty after they cause accident and kill their sister of Mzwandile. And Mzwandile become emotional and sad on the mortuary when he see his sister dead. While Mira and Dr. Wallace concept a plan to explain the loss of Mira's pregnancy, one that is bad news for Shira. During the checkup of Mira, Shira tells her mother that he wants to see Mira's child, while while Naropi refuses that and he wants to see herself, the child of Mira. And he asked her doctor, Dr. Alex, to see the scan of Mira's child. But Mira tells the doctor that must refuse. While Lindo projects her own shame onto her housemate before arriving with Lindiwe to help the threesome with Clavia. But her friend don't wants Lindiwe to do the threesome. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.